Hey, hello. Today I come to teach you a good method. Two methods. The first one is free so that this iPhone unavailable screen doesn't pop up. Totally free method and very easy. I will also leave the program in the description so we can restore it and enter directly to the phone. You don't need an advanced computer. If you don't have it, well, you can ask a friend or family member. Or from an internet cafe, and extra bonuses. I will give you a second method. So without further ado, let's get to action. Leave us a comment with the exact model of your device. Tell us your case. What have you tried or just write? I need help. The first thing we have to do is go to Google and type check iCloud or else. Let's go to the first page. And here we are going to write the email of your iPhone. But you might be wondering, well, how do I get it? It's very easy, just remove the tray and there is the email number. Okay. Once we are going to paste it here, easier than finding the Wi-Fi password at someone else's house or KY. We're going to paste it over here, done. And we click end, verify, and that's it. As you can see here where it says iCloud, lock is showing as off. What does this mean? That the phone has no associated iCloud account. So we are simply going to restore it, update it, and that's it. It will not ask for credentials and you will enter directly. But for those who see it this way, look, iCloud on means that the device has an iCloud account and it will definitely ask us credentials or password. But do not worry because I have the solution for you with method 2 and it is very easy. Just breathe deeply. There is still no reason to panic. We go to Google and download a small application, this one here. In the same way, in the description I leave you this program. Once we download it, we simply install it and with just 2 clicks we are going to perform a bypass on any iPhone. Be it from the XS to the 17 Pro Max. It also applies to iPads. Okay, so definitely with the 2 methods. Here in Xiaomi and Lock we have the solution. And without further ado, let's get to action. That hit was out of excitement, I hope. What we are going to do now is connect a cable to the iPhone. We are going to use this program called 3EU Tools. That also in Xiaomi Unlock, we leave it for you here in the description, or if you want you can use the app officially from iTunes as you like. But I would recommend this application. Or once we connect the cable to the iPhone, we will press the volume up and down buttons and power for a few seconds. This is in order to put it in recovery mode. Secret combination worthy of a video game. If it works on the first try, you are now a pro level. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive notifications of new updates and technological advances for your devices. And perfect. And here we get 1P. Does P mean that we are in recovery and now we are going to flash it, or are we going to update it? As you can see, here I am going to give you a special note. And for those who got the 26.1, we are going to pass it. Now, for those who encountered iCloud, we can install whatever we want. It could be 26.2 or if a 27 comes out in the future. Okay, esteemed ones, once here we are going to download it from here. Have patience, these downloads weigh more than a student's backpack. We are going to click on download. And that's it, I already have it downloaded, since it weighs a lot, so I already have it downloaded here. Well, a special note so that you don't get an error when flashing, we are going to Toolbox. I will zoom in a bit. We are going to iTunes Utility. We are going to Repair Driver, Advanced Repair. And we will click here on Clouds. Okay, I already clicked here to download and we are simply going to install Microsoft. A little driver and that's it. That's all, nothing out of this world. Nothing to do with NASA. Calm down, it is not mandatory to do this. But from experience I recommend doing it. Or it is already installed and now we are going to flash it. Being here we are going to have some data here. Please we will click where it says quick flash mode or else because if we click on this it will simply give us. It will update to iOS 26. It will pass the software but will not restore it. It will not leave you in hello or KY, it will show the message of the PIN or iPhone the same way. Available. So please, we click here in quick flash mode. If you click where you're not supposed to, let's cry together. Over here I am going to select 261 because I think most of you will find it that way. If you have iCloud on or KY, you probably don't know the password or don't remember it and that's it. We are going to click on flash very easily. It has to be. I remind you in recovery mode and that's it. Here we click flash. I recommend not to move the device. Do not disconnect it while it is charging or breathe near the cable. Just in case. Well, while it reaches 100%. I will pause the video so we don't take too long, we'll be back. And that's it, dear ones. The process has finished. Tells us, congratulations. The flash has been completed cleanly. Now we are just going to wait for the system to load. Can we disconnect the cable now? Well, I'm going to pause it for a moment while it charges to 100% so the video doesn't extend too much. So we'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, as you can see, the device has been successfully formatted. Now let's set it up. Well, as check iCloud showed us that it was off. Let's continue. Let's click next for everything. If you want our advice, in the description we leave you the links to our WhatsApp contacts. But for those who are asked for credentials, don't worry. We are going to open mobile too and that's it. Well, let's continue. Now we load there. Here it is mandatory that we connect to a Wi-Fi network. Okay, perfect. If you have any questions, please write to us below in the comments and we will personally respond to each one of you. Responding. We also invite you to visit our YouTube channel. Look, we have excellent comments and different methods, okay? Here we are going to click on Continue. Face ID, we will configure that later.
Acá nos aparece creemos un código un pino caiparacuas personas que no les aparezca estos.
Implement les vape de la contrasena segura mentela majoria les vaperis seresta pantalla.
Como pudin observar la solo propietario pueda desbloquear este iPhone no se preocupen aquilla.
Aplica el mito dos OK.
Simplemente vamos installa esta herramienta.
Tutorial son esta tool silos de jo paraca meeting a castle tutorial para realizar bypass son esta. Herramienta OK o in a descriptions de link todo bandeja de plata.
Listo.
Porcano sapiones de Cadillo. Wow. Okay. No transfer, nada.
Cuenta entonces le damos más options, damos opciones de inicio de sesión. Usar otro dispositivo para iniciar session usar varios cuentas bueno vamos. En este caso vamos a escribirle un código listo vamos a darle 1 2 3 4. Porque bueno vamos a comprobar.
No transferior.
Nada.
I perfecto pamo sedaral en agregar después in configuration. Okay, let sen no sir.
Por aquí aceptimos. Y perfecto.
Paracas personas aquinas los servicios de tutorial por favor nos olivienda real anos unlike muchísimo paraquest video lisa parezca del feed de YouTube otra personas cello necesite. Listo damos and configure mastered. Aggregate después and configuration.
Y perfecto carios y queridas ya hemos logrado ex de a nuestro iPhone en este caso es un iPhone 11 Prewal.
Maneras de metodo yes luno el dos aplica deseliquices estaliciet Pro Max equal choir. Tablet.
Observar aquí el proceso ha sido exitoso ya podemos ver todas las aplicaciones.
Como Face ID podemos realizar llamadas telefónicas leju mostrar. Que efectivamente si podemos realizar llamadas or con el otro método el bypass la única desventaja. Es que no vamos a poder realizar llamadas EMI. Listo bueno vamos paraquian configuration vamos a general. Como pudding observer acquistal modelo.
También podemos actualizar tranquilamente porque no tenemos cuenta de iCloud si lo vamos a realizar con.
I removo no les recommendo actualizar Mozilla iOS 20.1 OK. Ivano podemos restable iPhone barazo contenido na problema no seals bolver revelaqueer. Asimismo perlos capricane el mito dodos con I removal local information in nos lespa barazu. Bypass. Ok bueno estafito corrido securitas nomos el próximo video chao chao semi.